Well, growth factors are proteins, and they act like messengers, and they tell the cells what to do to multiply, for example, or to become very specialized.
Growth factors are essential proteins that are very important in the body. Actually, they are able to talk to cells and make them migrate, proliferate, differentiate, and they can also induce angiogenesis, which means that some of them can even try to ask the cells to make new blood vessels from the existing ones. So from a clinical point of view, in a general point of view, they can be very useful for regenerative medicine and also for improving the healing processes. And then if we talk specifically on the TriAnkle project, where we want to regenerate tendon and cartilage, here we chosen from all those factors just 4. 2 of them have been selected because they have a very general effect on the body, so they can be used for treating different injuries. So that means that we are assuring a good oxygen supply and also nutrient supply, and we are able to deliver healing factors as well as regenerative cells to the place that we want them to go. Then another factor, one of those general factors that we have chosen is PDGF. PDGF has a very complete different effect. It's a very chemoattractant protein, which means that it calls the cells to go to the place that we want. Cells such as macrophages, also mesenchymal stem cells, for example, we go to the place that we put the factor, and we'll try to regenerate the tissue. So that's very important for both tendon and cartilage. And then for the specific treatment of the tendon, we have chosen TGF, which is another protein that acts on mesenchymal stem cells and will induce the differentiation of these cells into tenocytes, which are the cells that are in charge of the functioning of the tendon. So with this approach, what we want is to have a very oriented tendon, very functional tendon with enough strength and elasticity. And finally, for the cartilage, we chosen another one, BMP2 factor, which helps the mesenchymal stem cell to differentiate to cartilage cells, to chondrocytes. In this case, what we want is to reduce the symptoms of the osteoarthritis and also to improve the recovery of the osteochondral injuries.